Hello, I'm Brady Johnson, and I'm here to talk to you about climate change and global warming. Do you want to witness the murder of our own planet? I certainly don't. We all have to share the planet, so it's important that we all pitch in and take care of it. The research I have done is from government sites such as the EPA, the Environmental Protection Agency, and NASA, plus some other environmental government websites. We all need to make a conscious effort to help prevent more damage to the planet. I'm going to be talking to you about what climate change and global warming are, why we should work to prevent them, and what we can do to prevent them. Alright, so let's jump right into it. What are climate change and global warming? Climate change is the temperature changes in a large area over a good period of time. Global warming is the increase in temperature that has happened since the pre-industrial era, which I'll tell you a little bit more about later. It's the overall temperature of the planet. Why we should want to prevent them? Well, with global warming, as I was saying, it is the rise in temperature of the planet. And since the pre-industrial era, it has risen almost 2 degrees Fahrenheit, which isn't good. This causes glaciers to melt, and it can cause coastal areas to wind up underwater. Climate change is another big problem. It can cause areas, environments to change over time, which leads to droughts and animals migrating because they can't get food and not being able to grow food in certain areas, which is all very bad. Climate change also is part of, smog. It is one of the consequences of climate change. And global warming. It's kind of both. How we can prevent them? Well, there's a lot of different things that we can do to prevent them, or at least help prevent the consequences from getting worse, which is greener transportation, taking the bus, walking, biking, different things like that. Electric cars is a good way. Cleaner, renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and water power, and more energy efficient devices. Another way that we can help is supporting businesses that try to reduce carbon emissions or use carbon capture programs or have specific green programs like planting trees. We can do that to help. And in conclusion, we need to all make a conscious effort to save the planet. Climate change and global warming are a genuine problem, and if we don't start taking them seriously, we'll create a world that's harder for everyone to live in. Some things we can do are use renewable energy sources, more energy efficient devices and equipment, commute in a greener way, and plant more trees. Unless we want fresh air and sustainable food sources to be a thing of the past, then we need to take these issues more seriously. Thank you.